Page 14, Go Tell It on the Mountain. 4 times, got one sharp in the key signature. It's either in G major or it's in E minor. Let's look at the last measure. You're here. That's G major. I'd say it's in G major. Start with the right hand. Fifth finger, they want fifth finger on the B. So it's 1 and 2 and 3 and bring the second finger down. So it's 1 and 2 and. So you didn't really change hand positions. You brought the second finger down here is all, but you're staying up in here. Last measure of the first line. 1 and 2 and 3. That's tricky. 1 and 2 and. When you start playing on the ends of the beats, bring the second finger down, lift up between the phrases. You do that again some more, isn't that nice? Last measure, you're here on this second line. Last measure, you reach up the second finger now and connect it. It's legato. Here. Then lift up, it's the end of a phrase, and move up. Thumb comes down, and we just changed hand positions. Lift up the end of the phrase, second finger, went back up. But all legato here. Fourth finger, second finger goes down, and then you're into the phrase, and it's like it was at the beginning. Left hand, keep the left hand soft, and play these rests. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you get a whole note, and then here the 5/7 chord, and you get some half notes and half rests. Make sure you play the rests; they're important. Over on page 15, second line, starting out with a couple G chords, and then you have here C sharp, and now it's thumb on a C natural. And then lift up, both hands are going to lift up here, and you're back to your rest. Put the hands together, what happens? I don't know. 1 and 2 and. See, right when I play the 8th note, the left hand comes up. 1 and 2 and 3 and. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and. Last 2 beats, the left hand comes up. So make sure you play the rest in the left hand. It's important. And that's really about the trickiest part of it. Once you can get that working, it's a happy piece. 2. But you got to learn it first, and you can gradually speed it up because the notes have to be all accurate. And you can't have any hesitations anywhere. The beat's got to be flowing from start to finish. And then eventually sing it if you want to. I do the singing last. I don't do the singing at all, but if you want to sing, I recommend you do it last. Yeah. If you look at the bottom of page 14 in the last line, second measure, here, there's an amen there. That's if more than one people are singing and they're singing harmony, they can sing the amen, while whoever has the melody holds out that born thing. So it happens again at the end of page 15 at the bottom too. That's what that amen is for. If nobody's singing, then you just play the notes. If they're singing, you play the notes and they sing it. I don't know. Let's play this together slowly to double check the notes and the rhythms. I'll give us 4 counts. Starting here. 1, 2, ready and go, and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. 1 and 2 and. 2 and. 3 and 4 and. 2, three. One, two, three, four. Two, three. One, two, three, four. Two. Two.